Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I couldn't help but go off and buy another mystery box from Glamourtress, and this time I bought two mystery boxes for $9.99 a piece and another wig, and I can't remember what the wig was that I bought. That's a damn shame. I got so many wigs I be buying, but anyways, I did that because Glamourtress normally has $1.99 shipping for $29 or more, so I had to go and find me a cheap wig. But I'm gonna be honest, I already filmed part of this and then the box came collapsing over and all my shit fell down, so I'm not even gonna act like I'm reopening up this box. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what came in the box, and I'm not gonna be as surprised because I already know. But anyways, and remember, I paid $19.99. I'm gonna show you everything that came with the $19.99, and then I'll try on the wig that I bought as well. So, I received 2 packs of braiding hair. I don't braid. I don't wear braids. However, I'm pretty sure I have someone that's watching this video that would love this African collection jumbo braids by Sensational. I have the color 8, and if you guys don't know, you can't really see, a number 8 is brownish red hair. And then I also have the same package in a M350 1B, and again it's brownish red. It's almost the same color as this number 8, so it will blend very well, but again, braided hair is not for me. I received 2 packs of Shake and Go Weft hair, 14-inch. One is a 530, and this is not human hair, guys. This is Master Mix, and this is OT 530. No, excuse me, OT 30. I'm sorry. Another goddamn closure, but it's okay. You know what? I might just go ahead and utilize this closure and do a high ponytail with this closure because I don't know. Looks like Sensational don't care about sending out their closures. But this is 100% Brazilian hair. You can dye it, color it, flat iron it, whatever you want to do. And dyeing is the same thing as coloring. And then they sent me this wig. This reminds me of the last curly wig that they sent. I am not going to try this on. This is Outrace Cassie. It is a quick weave, aka a half a wig, and because my hair is braided all the way down to the back and it looks so much like the other wig they sent me, I'm not going to try it on because at this point you guys know exactly how I look with this type of wig. And they also sent me 2 packs of Samba Twists. Again, we know that I don't wear braids, but I'm pretty sure there'll be someone out there that will be interested in this. If you guys are watching this and you do know me personally and you're in the area, contact me and I'll see what we can do about this because I'm not going to use any of this. And they also sent me a Janet wig. Now we'll be trying this on, and this is Aroma in the color number 1. So for $19.99, I received 2 packs of Samba Twists, 2 wigs, 1 closure, 2 packs of track hair, and 2 packs of braiding hair. So that's actually not really, it's not bad at all. It's just not anything that I can actually utilize, unfortunately. Not everything, but it's still not bad at all. And then I also, this is what I bought. I forgot, guys. Yikes! This is what I bought. It is Diana Pure Natural Bohemian Wig Sophie in the color 1B99J. I don't even remember buying that. And I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna get a wig with a bang. And then they sent me a wig with a bang. So you're gonna get 2 wigs with a bang. I will again put the links to Glamourtress and the mystery box in the description box below, so you guys can check them out. You know, most of us are at home quarantined with nothing to do, so you don't have nothing to lose, but go ahead and buy your little mystery box and see what you get. Okay, before I put it on, you know the drill. This is a full wig, no lace to cut. There are 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. This cute little bang. And I normally don't like these type of wigs, but I have an idea for it. So I'm going to let you guys listen to a little music while I style this, and I'll be back to give you my final thoughts. Okay, I'm done styling this. I think that this is the way that I would wear it. It's a little thin, so I'm gonna be honest, if you do put it up, I mean, I know how to get past that. As you can see, my finger straight through here, you can see the tracks, but you can camouflage that with the little got to be glue, a black stocking cap, and a couple of pins will camouflage it just well. I particularly don't like this wig because it is jet black, and I don't like jet black hair. However, you can always find something to do with any wig. And like I said, guys, I'm sorry. You can see this. It's gonna get on my nerves. But I just wanted to let you know the pros and the cons. This hair is silky. However, it's shiny. I don't like shiny wigs. For those of us that do come in contact with shiny wigs, you can actually apply dry shampoo to it to take out some of the shine, or baby powder. I tried baby powder and it took too long for the shininess to go away. Really dull after that, but I do prefer dry shampoo, which I'm not going to put on this wig or anything else because I'm getting ready to go ahead and try on. Oh, see, it's kind of cute this way too. I'm getting ready to try on the wig that I actually bought, and again, it has a bang to it as well. So I'm sorry, guys, I don't normally bring you wigs that look exactly the same, but I had no idea what would be in my mystery box. So, you know, I kind of like this a little bit. Will I wear it? I mean, most of us are either partially or all the way quarantined. So, you know, this is a good wig for me to go out and look for some toilet tissue because a nigga can't find no toilet tissue nowhere. Damn. No, I'm just, well, I'm not playing about toilet tissue, but I'm just serious. This is a decent wig. Like I said, I can't beat it. I got out the mystery box, so I'm not mad. I'm not mad. It's what I chose to do. All right, let me try on my other wig so I can let you guys go. I don't know how to deal with it. So I'm about to go ahead and try this on. With this wig, I don't think I'll have too much to talk about, so I'm going to go ahead and let you guys listen to a little bit of music while I style this and see if I like it, because I've actually never even tried this wig before. I've tried Pure Natural. They have a wig called Tiffany Girl that I like, but never one with the bang. So we'll see, and happy watching.